Hello everyone and welcome to the Housing Mega Home Utsav 2020. Uh, my name is Kunal Sikri and I will be your host today for this session. So traditionally buying a house is a very tiresome task and we spend our years of hard-earned money and efforts into buying a dream house for ourselves. So in the same line, housing brings you a Housing Home Utsav, which is a first in itself, a property home expo that is online. So you can buy your dream house sitting at the comfort of your houses. So if we talk about, we have lots of AR and VR technologies, and we are the most tech-friendly organization in the real estate sphere in whole of India. So since we have lots of properties which are very great and can help you buy a dream house very easily. In the same vein, we have a very beautiful property located in Greater Noida West today by the name of Eros Sampoonam. We have Mr. Antriksh Sharma with us, who is the manager sales and marketing for Eros Group, who will take care of this and he will explain us the property so you can buy the property, experience the property from the comfort of your houses, and we will help you and support in selecting the best property that you want to buy. Thank you. Over to you, Mr. Antriksh. So if you can just talk about the property that is Eros Sampoonam.
Yeah, sure. Thanks a lot, Kunal. I would like to introduce again myself. I'm Antarik Sharma, and I've been working with the Ross Group for the last 2.5 years. I'm working on the profile of senior sales manager over here. So straight away coming to the property, I would like to brief some of the USPs of the property first. So this is located in Sector 2, Greater Noida West, which is bank opposite to the upcoming metro station of Sector 2. So in terms of location and the greenery part and the connectivity, so this is going to be the topmost location of Greater Noida West, which is also called as Noida Extension. So if we talk about the property, this property is being constructed in 25 acres. So this is the entire land area, out of which 12.5 acres is already been constructed and delivered. So we have delivered 1,768 apartments as of now in 12.5 acres, and rest 12.5 acres is still under construction, which will take 2.5-3 years from now to get completed. So the major USP, if we talk about the major USP of the property, so this is the least dense property in the vicinity as of now. So the FAR which is being consumed as of now is 2.75, which is one of the least dense property in Noida Extension as of now. So we are going to construct 1,330 apartments in Eros Sampoonam 1, which is the upcoming segment, which is coming up in next 1.5 acres. So altogether, we are going to construct 1,330 apartments only. So which is very less in number. If you talk about the other properties in Noida Extension,
reducing the number in phase 2 rather than in the phase 1 we had 1768. So in the phase 2 we are reducing the number of apartments even further.
Yes. So we have been using the same FAR which has been consumed by us in phase 1, and this was the actual FAR which was allowed to us to construct in 2010. So we have been stuck to the same FAR. So we haven't increased the FAR as of now, like the other developers. So they have increased the FAR, increased the number of floors, increased the number of units in the project. So we haven't done that thing. So people are going to get a good lifestyle over here, more greener environment, lush green oxidation environment.
So for the people who are unversed with FAR, so let me tell you, FAR basically means floor to area ratio. So more the FAR, the more number of floors the builder can build, and the more number of units you will have in that locality. So lesser the FAR, you'll have more open spaces, you'll have more space to move around, and you will have less, I would say, congestion within the societies itself. Yeah. And as sir is telling us that it's one of the lowest FAR societies that we have in Greater Noida West, so that is a great thing. And I believe that the location is very great. So it's just opposite the upcoming metro station. So there is a new metro station which will come. So it's just opposite to that metro station as well. So if we talk about what are about the amenities that we have in this society,
we have,
so if you want to talk about
we have some amenities which are already operational in the segment which is already being delivered. We have lawn tennis courts, skating rink, basketball courts, kids play area, multi-purpose playgrounds, elder zone, and we have a temporary setup of the clubhouse also, because the main clubhouse is coming up in phase 4, which is still under construction. That will take one and a half years. But for the sake of the residents, we have already constructed a temporary setup of clubhouse, which includes the gym area, table tennis room, library, sitting area. So these 4 things, 4 to 5 amenities are already being constructed and are already operational.
And sir, if we talk about the locality as a whole, so what about the markets nearby? So if someone wants to go and markets, daily needs, shops, all those things. So what are the facilities that are available in the society?
Yeah, we do have a grocery store within the premises.
Mm-hmm.
So you'll be getting each and everything of daily need. You'll be getting inside the premises. You don't have to move out of the campus to buy all those daily need stuff. And Gore City Mall, which is the mall nearby, which is approximately 3.5-4 kilometers away from this place. So that is completely operational.
Okay.
So if you are looking for a bigger marketplace, so you can move to Gore City Mall also.
Great. And what about the schools and the hospitals that are nearby?
So this is basically an educational hub also. In 1.5-2 kilometers of radius, you'll be getting 14 to 15 international schools.
Mm-hmm.
So that's not an issue with the location. And if you talk about the health facilities, Yatharth Hospital is nearby, which is approximately 2.5 kilometers from this particular location.
So maybe within 3 to 4 minutes maximum, you can reach the schools.
Yeah,
maybe 5 to 10 minutes,
yeah.
you can reach the markets.
Yes.
And same for the hospital as well. So within 5 to 10 minutes, you have all the amenities like I would say a mall and a hospital and a school, which are basic requirements for I would say habitable space. And the grocery stores are already within the premises. So that is something which we already, it's something great. So let's not, can we see the property first if it's possible?
Yeah,
I believe we have a live tour that is available with us.
Yeah, I would rather request you to kindly show
my
master
screen.
plan once. I'll brief
Sure,
on that.
I'll do that.
Yeah, please.
So is my screen visible to you?
The screen is completely visible.
Okay. So I believe, sir, these are the amenities we were talking about. So these are all amenities that we provide.
Mm-hmm.
And let's now come to these are actual photographs of the society.
Okay. If we can have a look on the master plan.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this one.
So as we can see from this master plan itself, we have 100-meter, I would say, green belt, which is running at the front of the whole plot.
Yeah.
So I believe that is also maintained by Rose Group, right?
Yes, that green belt belongs to the authority, and will take part into it to maintain the green belt in future.
Right. So as you can see, we have lots of sizes. So which are the sizes we are providing right now to our consumers?
So right now the entry size is 835 square feet. That's the minimum area which we are offering as of now. That's a 2 BHK plan.
Okay.
Then comes 2+1, 1060 square feet, which is available in these two towers, Y13 and Y14.
Okay.
If these two towers are visible to you, Y13 and Y14, these two towers belong to 2 and 2+1 category.
Okay, so these two red ones are
Yeah.
13 and 14.
Yes, yes, yes.
Just opposite the green belt.
Right.
Great.
So these units are facing the highway and the green belt, as well as the internal green area, which we are going to develop. So you're getting both the
Okay.
views. So you have both the options available. If you want to go with the
Mm-hmm.
outer view or the inner view.
So what are the number of floors that we have in these towers?
So this is purely mid-rise structures. 14 and 15 storied structures are there. 80% of the structures are 14 storied, and only 2 towers in phase 4 consist of 15 floors and 6 apartments on each floor. The rest, all the 14 floor apartments are sharing 4 apartments on each floor.
Got it. So basically we have both. So greenery is not a problem. So there is plenty greenery in the whole society and around the society as well.
Yes, yes, we do have 4 to 5 common areas, common open areas,
Mm-hmm.
which includes all the amenities as well as the multi-purpose playgrounds. And the best part is there is no high rises coming up in the entire vicinity. No high rises are coming up on all the 4 sides. So this property is completely open from all the 4 sides. So it will be completely ventilated and full of sunlight.
Okay, so it's a 4. Great. And so if we talk about what are the average pricing that is going around in this society right now, or the vicinity even for that matter?
So the price range starts from 33 lakhs, and it varies till 75 to 78 lakhs for the maximum size which we are
That is
offering.
1800 square feet. That is a maximum
Yeah,
that
if
is
we talk
possible.
about per square feet range, so that will come around 3850 to 4100.
Okay, great. So sir, let's have a look at the, I would say, the tool that we have ready for this society as well. So is it visible?
Yeah, this is.
So I'll start with the auto 2 first. Just let me know if you want me to stop anywhere. So I believe this is the parking that we provide.
I'm sorry to interrupt you, Kunal. I think I'm not able to see.
Okay. I'll just share it again, sir.
Yeah, please.
So is it visible now?
Yeah, completely.
So this is a parking area, and so sir, how many parkings do we provide with these units?
So we are going to provide one parking with every unit,
Okay. Okay.
and these
And
are the
if someone
open.
wants to buy, they
These
can
are
buy
the open
additional
parking
parkings.
slots,
Okay.
which has been displayed on the screen currently. So these are the open dedicated parking slots.
Okay. And these are all the actual photographs where people are actually living. So this is the first phase which is ready to move in.
Yes, approximately 1400 families are already been shifted.
Great. So more or less 80% of 80% and more is occupied already.
Yeah.
So we have kids area and everything. And this is where the construction is going on.
Yeah, this is the upcoming construction, the new construction which is coming up.
Okay.
This is the main entrance.
Okay, this is the temporary shift clubhouse that we have, and this is, I believe, the green belt we were talking about.
Yes, yeah.
Okay. So it's a beautiful society on its own, I would say, because and so what are the any special offers since Navratra are going on? So do we have any special offers for the people who have joined us here today?
Yeah, we do have introduced some special offers for this festive season. So I'll share the screen with you. That includes all the
Sure.
offers which we are offering right now. Can you see the offers?
Yes, sir, we can.
Okay. So these are the offers which have been provided from the company's part.
Okay, so we have the first offer, that is 30-30-40 plan. So what does that mean for the end users? So how much payment has to be made for each segment and at what time?
So this is a special 30-30-40 payment plan as per which we need to pay 30% of the total cost of the property upfront within 60 days.
Okay, and rest of the
And then
30?
next 30% will come within when the structures will get completed on the top floor,
Okay.
roof, casting. And 40% you need to pay on possession.
Okay.
On
So
applying
that
home
gives a
posting.
very good time period to every user, I would say. So they have to pay 30% right now. So rest of the 30% is maybe at the end of 1.5 or 2 years, I believe.
Approximately 1 year.
Approximately one. And the rest of the 40%, and when is the position for this?
Possession is as per if you talk about the RERA dates, this is December 2023.
Okay.
But we'll try our level best to get the project completed by 2023 mid.
Okay. So by 23, then so they have good enough time, I would say, is to actually plan their payments in advance. So they don't have to eventually take the loan at the start. They will have to take the loan at the end. So that is something which is great. Then you have
Yes,
modular
yes.
kitchen and wardrobes that we provide. So kitchen is primarily, I would say, ready. So you have a modular kitchen, you have cooktop, you have RO, microwave. So all these things are being provided. Chimney, even I would say. So these things you are providing. Then a video door phone, geysers in a
Chimney,
master
geyser,
bedroom.
ACs on the top floor,
Okay. So you
tube
have
light fans, one texture.
tube
This
lights,
is basically a
fans.
complete
So
package.
electrical fittings are there.
Yeah, yeah. All the electrical fittings are there as per the
And
offer.
one textured wall in a master bedroom.
Master bedroom. Yeah.
So power backup 1 kVA is free, lease rent is free, EC and FFC. So there are a lot of things I would say you have added in this package. So it's a very attractive offering right now for the users. And so if you talk about what is the appreciation, so what was the time you launched? What was the price at the time of launch? So people can also get an idea. So what is the appreciation we are looking at? Maybe down the line, 5 years, 3 years.
So if we see the current scenario in property market and especially in Nordic station, the property is not on the boom as of now. So
Right.
it's going through the tough time. So this is basically the time to buy. Properties are on their least value. So you'll be getting best properties in least values, and you can expect very good appreciation because the infrastructure which is coming up around is coming up in a very planned manner. So metro is coming up, IT hubs are coming up, institutions, schools. So these all developments are coming up around. So you can expect a very good appreciation in coming 3 to 4 years.
Yes, obviously, I believe maybe within 3 to 4 years, we have the FNG Express, which will traverse this near through the society.
Right.
And then we have this metro station coming up. Maybe the Jewar airport would be ready. And I believe there are lots of schools nearby, and there are lots of schools under construction as well, because that's an education city we are coming up with nearby. So that will have a lot of traffic for, I would say, the users who want good schools. So this society is one of the, I would say, nearest ones to that area.
Right.
Great. And so we can stop sharing. So we can just take questions. So if anyone has any question, anything they like to ask for this, they can please write down their questions in the Q&A at the bottom. So if anyone has any question, they can please ask. Okay, so we have a question which says, what is the build-up area for build-up and the curve? So what is the loading amount basically for this?
So if we talk about the loading part, if we compare with super to build up, this is somewhere around 90 to 20%.
Okay.
Which is again best in the industry.
Mm-hmm. And so what are the maintenance charges that we have for the
So
club?
currently, we can't tell you the exact maintenance charges of the upcoming society, but currently we are charging 1.95 plus GST plus taxes.
So that is a reasonable amount, I would say. So for a, let's say 9 and 835 square feet, if you talk about the basic size,
Somewhere
so that
around
is not
1800,
more than,
1900.
yes, 18, 1900. So
Yeah.
that is a reasonable amount. So do we have anything available in the ready to move segment in this as well? So phase one, if there is anything ready to move?
No, that segment is completely sold out. We don't have any inventory available in that particular segment.
Okay. So that was one of the questions that we had. And what are the banks that are financing this part of yours? So we have, from where we can get the funding and everything?
Yes, if we talk about the under construction one, Sampoorna one, we have State Bank of India funding the property. Axis Bank is there, HDFC, Bank of Baroda, and I think all of the banks are funding. So funding is not being
all the major banks are providing you financing.
All the major banks are funding the property.
And Rose Group in itself is, I would say, so for the people, let me tell you, it's one of the oldest construction groups that we have. It's a 70 years plus old organization. So if you see lots of beautiful buildings they have built up. So even the Shangri-La Hotel in Delhi is built up by Rose Group. And so possession timelines that we have. So I believe that was January to June 23. As per yours, I would say you are trying for June 23. And as per RERA, it's December 23.
December 23. That's the possession date as per RERA. But we are
you're trying to do it early as well.
Yes, exactly.
Great. So anyone else has any question, any additional thing they like to ask? And so how many units do we have on each floor?
So we have 4 apartments on each floor in 80% of the towers, and only 2 towers, which is G category, G5 and G3, I guess. G5
let me share the screen again so I can,
these are the 2
I can
towers.
Share the layout.
Yes, these are the 2 towers which are having 6 apartments on each floor. Rest all the towers are having 4 apartments per floor.
So, okay. G5, you're talking about?
Yeah, G5 and G7.
Okay, this is G5, the corner one actually.
Yes, yes, exactly. Both the corners and the front
corner one.
Yeah.
Both the corners.
So these towers are having 6 apartments, and rest all are having 4 apartments each floor.
And so if we talk about the phase which is going to be ready in 23, so what are the sizes that are available in that particular time frame?
So I think this these sizes are also mentioned in the layout. 835, that's the starting size. And next one is 1060 square feet, 2 plus 1, 2 plus study.
Okay.
And then 3 BHK category starts from 1350 square feet, 1350. That's a 3 plus 2 accommodation. 3 bedroom, 2 toilets.
Okay.
Again, it has 3 variants. 3 plus 2 category has 3 variants, 1425 and 1435 also.
So I believe we can have a look at the layouts as well. We have the layouts in this as well. So this is, I believe, the 835 unit, right, sir?
Yeah.
So these are good sizes. So we have a 16 by 10 living and dining area. So both the bedrooms, it's 12 by 10, and then we have a 10 by 10 and a half. So it's a good size.
Which is quite decent size in this particular segment in the 835.
Right.
With 3 balconies attached to it.
So normally a builder who is selling something around 950 or 1000 comes up with these sizes.
Right.
The carpet area is again good. So we have, if you talk about car usable area, so we get 7,600 out of this. I have a couple of videos as well. I believe you wanted to show some videos to us as well. So if you can just show the video.
Yeah, sure.
So can you please make it full screen, the video? Thank you, sir. So this is actual ready to move part of the society. So it is not audible to us, I believe. Antriksha, it's not audible to us.
We have one more video, Kunal, following this one.
Sure.
I'll show you the current update of the construction happening on the
Okay.
site.
So the construction is also going on in a huge manner right now.
This was current month's update on the construction side. So construction is happening
Great,
and
great,
doing.
Great. So, anyone else has any question regarding this? So, sir, we have one more question. So, we are talking about, so what is the average pricing of the area around you? So, is it the same pricing? Is it more? Is it less? So, if you talk about the average pricing that is in the nearby societies to you.
So you are talking about this, the other campuses around, or?
Yes, other campuses around. So, the pricing is more to yours, less to yours, or equal to yours?
No, it's quite equivalent. It's quite competitive pricing. The FAR we have consumed, after seeing the FAR we have consumed, the location we are sitting at, and the number of units and the open area in the campus. So if you compare all those things and the facilities which are being provided in the apartments too, that's a fully loaded apartment too. That too comes with a cost. So
Right,
after
right,
calculating everything, so this is quite competitive price we are trading in.
Yeah, exactly. I believe we have the metro is just bang opposite to it, and we have the metro. Then we have the malls nearby, the hospitals are nearby, schools are nearby. It's a four-side open corner plot with a 100-meter green belt and another green belt on the right hand side as well. So
Yeah.
I believe, and you're providing lots of facilities. Like, it's a fully loaded kitchen we are providing. Then we are providing ACs on the top floor. Then we have those what do you call geyser in the master bedrooms.
Wardrobes, geysers, wall textures, door video phone, lights, fans, microwave, everything. So this is a fully loaded sort of apartment. You just have to bring in your movable furniture with you. Moreover,
right? Exactly. So it's a I would say a deal at that price point. So
Yeah.
the initial pricing that we're talking is 33 lakhs. We are starting with the 835 size, right, sir?
Yeah.
So that comes around 3850 or 3800, something around that perspective.
Yeah.
Great. So anyone else has any question related to the property, anything they like to ask Mr. Antriksh? Great. So what I'll do, sir, is I'll share your number with everyone. So I'll just present my screen. So this is your email ID and this is your mobile number. So I'll just type it down in the chat box as well for everyone to see. So it's 965452277, right, sir?
Yeah.
Great. So thank you everyone for joining us. And thank you, Mr. Antriksh, for talking about the property. So Eros Sampoornam is one of the best properties that we have in Greater Noida West. So you can see and experience, and you can contact him anytime you want to and have a look at the property. And thank you everyone. Stay safe. Have a wonderful day. Thank you. Thank you, sir.